In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless. You will be able to connect it directly into your PC or even a console such as the PlayStation 5. So all that you have to do is first unbox the HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless. Before starting, it is recommended to charge the headset fully. To charge it, you simply have to plug one end of the provided USB-C to USB-A charging cable into the headset and another one into your PC or laptop. You will be able to use it as a standard headset while it is charging, and after it is sufficiently charged, you can enable the wireless mode. So all that you have to do now to use it wirelessly is to gather the USB dongle. Plug the dongle into any of the available USB ports on your device, so like I said, either a PC or a console such as the PlayStation 5. As soon as the dongle is plugged in, you will be able to press the power button on the headset itself, and once this is done, you will now be able to use it wirelessly. You can also set it up by going over to the control panel, so on your PC, open the control panel, go over to Sound, and you will be able to browse through two tabs, playback and recording devices. In here, if you take these two options, show disabled devices and show disconnected devices, you will be able to see every single device plugged into your PC. You should be able to see the HyperX Cloud Alpha wireless headset, so either the microphone or the headphones itself here. So all that you have to do is right click it, make sure that it is enabled and set as the default device. Once this is done, for both input and output devices, you will now be able to fully use your HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless on your PC or laptop. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.